Teach me, baby, teach us. So preach it, baby, preach.